Welcome back to the topic of similar right triangles. In this practice, we're going to identify 3 right triangles. Now the first one, we can call it the big one. And the second one, we can call it the medium-sized one. The third one, we can call it small one. Of course, you can say 1, 2, 3. So pick your favorite method. Now, next one, we're going to write down the formal name for it. You can take hypotenuse, short leg, long leg. Like the hypotenuse, short leg, long leg, you name it. You can say, I'm going to say short leg, long leg, you name it. You can also say, I'm going to name it long leg hypotenuse. So different ways. I'm going to call the biggest triangle, triangle FHG. FH, let's look at FH. FH, that's the short leg. So I'm going to say short leg. Then I go to HG. HG is the long leg. That's the order I decided to take. Therefore, the second one, the medium set, let's give it some color. I'm going to pick a pretty color. I'm going to use the blue. I'm going to color this medium-sized triangle as our triangle 2. I'm going to follow the same order, shorter leg and then long leg. Therefore, I'm going to call it triangle HEG. Let's check if we wrote down correctly. HE, shorter leg. EG, long leg. Very good. Last one, we're going to the smallest triangle. I'm going to pick another pretty color. Alright, I'm going to color this. Okay, so the small triangle, you can, of course, you can see triangle 3, right triangle 3. I will follow the same order, short leg, long leg. Pause this video, see if you can write down its name in correct order we just said. We call it F-E-H. Let's check it. F-E, short leg. E-H, long leg. Okay, that's how you do it. This is just one of the examples we can use. Of course, as we have discussed earlier, you can set it the way you want, the order you want to take. Make sure the order does matter and don't mix it. Happy learning.